Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Asad Tech. Today we are going to give you an intro and demo of a app named Google Lens. So first search for it and here it is. So open. So this app starts translate words, identify plants, find products and more using just your camera. This app is related to tools. So 4.5-star rating and 1 million reviews, rated for 3 plus, 1 billion plus downloads. And here are some pictures, and here it is translation and a shoe. So homework and plants and more. Translate text that you see, capture codes in a snap, see words popular on menu. So back and data safety. Safety starts with understanding how developers collect and share your data on your use, region and age. The developer provided this information and may update it over time. No data shared with third parties. This app may collect these data types, location, personal info and for others. Data is encrypted in transit. You can request that data be deleted. So here is 4.5-star rating and 1 million reviews, and here are some reviews. And let's check out. So there are some options. So you can, if you have some, I have some designs. So here it is, and here it gives some matches, and here, yeah. So if you have used your camera, so let's take back out of camera, and so while using this app, and here it is, and here is this setting for it. So there is some setting. So what's new? So these are some updates and some new information. Billion plus downloads, Android 6.0 and up. Release camera, microphone, storage, that. Let's check another time. So if you want to translate text, so go to text, and here you need to take a photo of the text, and here it is. So if you want to listen it,
Similac Isomal.
so
Plus.
so go to another, here it is, translate. So if you have some other language, and here it is translating, copy that isomolia. So here it is, and here it has. If you want shopping, so here it is. If you want shopping, then there you can buy this app. Places, if you want to search for places, so here are some places that this thing is found. Dining, so same results. This app is such nice app, so you need to download it if you want more information and the things. So it can also translate many things for you. It also helps in purchasing and buying products. So 4.5-star rating, and you need to download it. My experience with this app is very good, and I assure you to download this app. So subscribe to my channel Atif Tech for more videos. Like, share and subscribe. So goodbye.